I'm still loading.
I'm in the game. Oh, I'm waiting for players.
I'm
There
loading.
we go.
I'm waiting for all of you.
Oh, now I'm in it.
Dude, I'm so excited.
Hello. Hi. Let's go this way, Easton.
How do we turn the flashlights on and off again?
Flashlight's a pussy. B.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I'll use my compass.
B is not how to turn your flashlight on and off.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is.
Is there a way to run? No.
I don't know.
What is that shit?
Read it.
Hold on.
Freedom.
Why? What do they do? Ooh, spiritual. Ooh. I have deciphered the sacred texts.
Alright, there's battery there. Some use a compass.
There's batteries around here. This
Batteries.
one's close. This
Batteries.
one's close. It's a yellow.
It's
Wait,
like middle.
blue's
Blue's
close,
close.
right?
Yeah.
Dude, how do we
this
get out of
thing?
here? Over here, over here.
When the night comes on, you can't go on. Batteries.
I'm gonna grab this thing.
Dibs.
That incense.
Oh,
You can see him with that, right?
Sean, you're breathing a little hard, filler.
Someone want to use a compass?
I got it.
I got it.
Dang it.
Straight ahead.
Oh, I hear it.
Did you use yours too, Sean?
Got it, Alex. Got a med kit. Hey, whoa! I hear him walking around.
He's gone.
No!
Oh shit! What the fuck?
Make throw a light stick again. Suck it, nerd.
He's right behind me. Ah!
Alex, your compass back up.
Where did Alex
Where
go?
y'all at?
Hello!
Where
You
at,
sound.
Alex?
You sounded like Pops from
Where's the compass?
fucking regular show.
Alex.
This way, this way.
Oh.
I like the compass in the second one. It's pretty helpful.
Yeah.
The ones
Definitely.
The ones you had to memorize the maps. It was way
That's not
darker on
fun.
the old maps.
What the fuck just
He's by
happened?
us. He's
I
by
just
us.
teleported. Fuck!
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck!
Hello.
I yelled.
The thing's right up in front of us.
Did you guys? Am I too far away from you guys? Fuck.
Found
No,
him.
he's right by us.
Guys, he's gonna get me.
Oh. No, he's right by us.
Well, I'm going insane, I'm pretty sure, so.
Get out of here, Harvard. You a bum. This way, Alex. It's really far. Ethan, just find a compass. He can't get us all at the same time.
I know, I'm trying.
He's by us right now.
You can run with.
I got a statuette. I don't know what it does, but.
I'm just gonna grab the battery because.
Yep.
Oh, Easton, that keeps him away.
You want me to use my
Or like,
compass?
Oh,
no, the statuette makes it so he can't like
Oh, fuck.
find you as
It's this
easily.
way, this way, this way.
Holy fucking shit.
Sean, it's this
I
way.
found
Sean,
it.
it's this way.
Easton,
Sean.
we gotta go get Easton.
Oh my god, that's the creepiest goddamn thing I've ever
Don't
seen
look
in my
at
life.
He's really far away. Do you not see Easton dying over there, man?
I'm dead. Oh, you guys were not even that far. Damn, that sucks. You guys,
Hey, Alex, this way. Alex, this way.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Hey,
He's right
buddy.
in front of us. Oh, that's Easton.
Hey. Yeshaw.
I'm grab this charger.
It's this way, guys. I hear it. It's right up here.
It's behind us.
Guys, it's right up here. What does that fire do? Fuck.
Oh God, he's right there.
Who just teleported?
You think?
What the fuck?
Me. Fuck you.
Easton, go find him.
I'm going. Alex, come this way.
Sean.
Come this way. I'll save you.
Oh, suck it, Harbor.
Yeah, suck it, Harbor.
Straight ahead. Go straight ahead, Alex.
Oh, okay, Alex, I'm coming.
Sean, keep going that way and you'll find him. Keep going.
Alright, I'm gonna get this charger.
You guys look at where I'm at. It's this way.
Oh God, find a wall, find a wall.
What happens if I throw it on fire? Will it save you?
I don't know.
Guys, it's this way. Follow me.
Over
I used the compass.
Sean.
It's this way. It's not that far away
It's to
either,
the
Adam.
right. Yeah, where it says we're next to it. No, it's this thing. It's the buttons.
I find the chest.
You gotta find the code first.
That's what I'm saying. I found the chest that's over here. All
Right here.
He's right here.
It's BZA. I found
Yeah,
Z.
I've got B.
There's Z.
Oh, fuck.
I know where A is. I know where A is. I'm going to it.
Okay.
Where's the last part though? What the fuck? Oh, you got
See
it?
you, loser. I hear you.
Nice.
What does that do again?
I don't know. That's one of the clues. Compass.
I'm gonna
It
use-
says this way.
Don't you guys hear it?
Okay. He teleported me. Where you at?
Oh, Alex, go straight ahead. Straight ahead.
Oh, he's on me.
Ready? Right this way.
Harvard's is running. Harvard's is running.
We gotta go straight this way.
He's on me. He's on me. Get away. Behind Alex. He's in between.
No!
I'm coming. He can't get me. He can't get me.
We're good.
He sucks at this game.
I'm gonna use my compass.
Yeah. It's still this way, I think.
Yeah, it's still straight. We're close. It's right in front of us. I see it.
Here.
Alright, I can use my compass in a sec. Alright. It's really far away. Red is really far away, right?
Fuck!
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this way. No.
So close, dude.
Oh shit.
Find a wall.
Insane, man. He's got me, Sean. Fuck you, Robert.
You're so aggressive in this.
I'm gonna get
game.
this battery.
I need it. I'm like under half.
Oh shit.
You're dick.
So was I.
Alright, it's still straight
This one
ahead.
That's right here, Alex.
Bet. I'm gonna cover you. He's right by me. He's behind us.
I'm banishing this idol. Hold on.
Sean.
Yell, Alex.
Right here, right here.
I banished the idol.
Behind
Don't
us.
worry, guys.
Alex, we gotta keep going now.
We gotta go this way.
Alex,
far.
use that
It's
incense
red,
in your
yellow.
pocket. Use that incense in your pocket, bro. LB.
Cover me, cover me. Yeah, he's behind us. He's just standing still, you little bitch.
You can see him, right?
He teleported me.
Loser.
Yo, guys, it's right up here. No,
He's got me. He's
No.
got me.
guys, it's right up here.
I'm coming.
I do, Mom.
Oh.
Come on, hurry, hurry! It's right up here.
I'm going insane.
Where is it?
Up here. Ah! Come here! Do you see me? Do you see me?
This way, yep.
Come on!
Oh, left? Oh.
Up here!
Chill, we can't go as fast as you.
Alright, sorry.
Oh, I hear it, I hear it. I see it, okay.
Hurry! Yeah!
Oh, we gotta wait.
Now we gotta break the
walk out.
sigils.
Find a wall.
Fuck.
Oh wow, they're really far away, huh? Follow me, guys.
He knows the way.
We see him, we see
Yeah,
him.
we're coming.
Oh wait, that's right. Even the living can see him, huh?
Need that battery, Sean?
No.
Okay, I'm 3/4, I'm good.
Wait, I can break them, can I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One. We're here.
All right, let's get to work, Alex. He's behind us.
Fuck you, Harberts.
Flick him, Alex. Flick him.
Fuck you, Harvards. Fuck you.
I'm on one.
I'm going to one right now. Let me get it up. Let me get it up.
I see the last one. Cover me, Sean.
I got you. I got him distracted.
There's another one right here. Isn't there? Oh.
I got him. Dude, it's so
Alex.
hard.
Alex, look at
Oh,
him.
the God.
Alex,
His body's right on me.
dude, I know. I stunned him with my glow sticks for half a second, dude. Oh, the play.